Shashank, and I got graduated in the year 2022 from Auri College of Engineering. There I got one placement opportunity, but until now I didn't got any onboarding updates. So I thought to join some bootcamp. So I joined 10x Academy. It's a very good platform for a freshers to learn. Before I joined 10x Academy, I was literally weak in coding, and by the word of by hearing that coding word, I was getting little scared that about it. So, being a mechanical background, so I was little bit scared. So when I joined after I joined the 10x Academy, I was little more stable with coding. So I learned many technical knowledge with 10x Academy. In my degree college, there was one my senior. His name is Mohammad Movin. He also did a full stack course in 10x Academy, and he got also placed in it. So he instead me to join 10x Academy. 10x provides us a very good technical knowledge. That is the very much required thing. So after getting that, many opportunities we will get in 10x Academy. So able to crack some of the interviews and finally got one job. Favorite project, it's Instaclone. After doing that project, I feel something greatness about me that I have able to just do a projects like just Instaclone, that where I am able to post something and that is able to reflect in the online. So that is my first and favorite project as well. Yeah, overall experience means it is very good. Best place to for a freshers to learn coding, and with technical staffs and very good mentors.